Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to do the throwout bearing on this one. You want to make sure you got one that matches, the right one. As you can see there, looks the same, just dirty. So you got to pull the fork out in order to replace that, because the fork fits in there. You squeeze these tabs together, push that clip out, and then you can pull that fork out. So let me get something and push that in a little further to make sure it's free from my fork, so I can pull my fork out. Yeah, it's free. I can see it's not grabbing the fork no more. There we go. Pull the fork out. And you can get this off of here. Put the new one in place. Put some grease on the tips of that, prevent a little wear. Put that back in and push that back on that clip so it holds that fork in place. And you've replaced the throwout bearing. That's a little ball pivot, so make sure you don't break that while you're in there. When we pulled this one off, this little notch was to the, I guess, axle side. Not 100% sure if that was right, but it came off and it was fine. So that's the way we're going to put this one on. Putting this notch to the outside. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.